Assalamualaikum and good evening to everyone and my fellow friends. So today the task given for us was the Nature Society of your university is organizing a nature week. As members of the society discuss and decide the best activity for the week. So I think I will organize a tree planting activity. It is because the trees can improve our air quality by filtering harmful dust and pollutants such as carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. It is because that can affect our health because it is a harmful gas. So next, trees give off oxygen that we need to breathe. The more we plant the tree, the more oxygen that we will get. So next, the trees reduce the amount of stormwater runoff, which reduces erosion and pollution in our waterways and may reduce the effect of flooding. It is because the roots of the plant can hold the soil from erosion and it will avoid from the soil erosion if heavy rain happen. So the last one is many species of wildlife depend on the trees for habitat. Trees provide food, protection and homes for many birds and mammals like Amazon. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. So how about you?
For me, the best activity for the Nature Week is organizing a trip to the national park. This is because students love a trip. The fresh clean air and the smells of trees will help the students calm their mind and release stress. This will make the students forget their everyday troubles. The second benefit is they can learn about the nature in this trip, because in this trip they can do variety of activities such as jungle trekking, cycling and kayaking. This activity will give the students the feels of close to the nature and love nature. That's all from me. How about you, candidate C?
Okay, in my opinion, organize a camping trip to a forest reserve is the best activity for the week. It's because for camping, it can strengthen our connection with nature. When we are camping, we get a chance to get in touch with nature and encounter wildlife. You also can see the star away from the bright light of the big city. There's nothing quiet like it. And we get a chance to connect with nature when we explore the benefit of camping. The nature outcome of this type of setting stress reduction and relaxation that we can find anywhere else. And the second point is to appreciate of nature. How can we not appreciate the nature when we are camping? Some campsites offer views that are breathtaking and inspiring. Without television, electronic device, and even electricity, we can learn to take in all the sight and sound of nature. We appreciate its beauty and wonder. So, in return, we care more about protecting it. So that's all for me. What's about you?
In my opinion, I think that organize a recycling day can be one of the activity for Nature Week. It is because a recycle day can lead to a better environment and also healthy life. Have you ever heard about 3R, which is reuse, reduce and also recycle? As for reuse, we can reuse back all the materials that we already use, either plastic, paper and also glass. For example, I take plastic bottle. This plastic bottle can reuse as a mini vase to plant seedlings. Let's say we plant a hibiscus seedling in a plastic bottle so that the plant can lead to a better environment and also greener view. Other than that, as for reduce is like we reduce the usage of materials that we use in our daily life. Let's say plastic straw. Plastic straw is actually leading to not a healthy environment because it can increase the use of plastic in our usage and also daily life. So instead of using plastic straw, we can use metal straw so that we can reuse it every day and every time we want to use a straw. And for the last one, which is recycle, recycle is where we put our materials and our garbage into a separate garbage bin. There are 3 garbage bins, which is the color orange, blue and also brown. For orange, it is for the plastic, the blue is for paper and the brown is for glass. Let's say a student in university, we can prepare the garbage bin in specific place in university so that the student can throw all the garbage in the separate bin, and we can reduce back in the manufacturing and also the factory so that the materials can be used for our future. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, so the topic for our discussion is what is the best activity for the week. So let's get started our discussion. In my opinion, organize a camping trip to a forest reserve is the best activity because it can exposure to the scientific concept of nature. Like science is anywhere in nature. When camping, we learn about various plant life as not to get rushed and eat poisonous fruit. Campers can also know how plants and trees looks like and what they need to survive, how they can survive, and what animals that they need to avoid. While camping, campers also exposed to astronomy as they look at the star at night and going fishing while camping. Then we will learn about study of fish. Lastly, we can make a trip without using science. You have to understand the concept behind chemical reaction if you want to make a long-lasting fire.
I do see your point of view, but for me, the best way for a nature week is organizing a recycling day. This is because the recycling day will lead toward a greener nature. For me, this can lead toward a greener nature because the rubbish has been reused, and this activity can reduce the logging for paper industry. How about you?
I agree with you, Fatiha, that organize a recycling day is the best activity for this week because this activity is a local activity because we just need to buy the rubbish bins and put it in the certain places, so that will help the people, the students, to throw their rubbish easily and very effective. Also easy to do. And next point is it can make the students disciplined to keep our environment clean. So I think that's all for me. So how about you?
I agree with you, Shaheen. I think that organize a recycle day is the best activity for Nature Week. As I stated earlier, a recycle day can lead to a better environment and also healthier life. Other than that, recycle day can create a cleaner place, just like this year Independence Day slogan, which is Cleaner Malaysia. And also, in my point of view, I think that recycle day is the best way and also one step ahead for us to become a first-class country. And for my second point, I think that recycle day also is the most easiest way because recycle day can give encouragement for students and also other people. Let's say if a student drink a water bottle, they can throw the plastic bottle into the garbage as the easiest way for them to joining the recycle day. So in conclusion, most of us agree that recycle day is the best activity for Nature Week. That's all from us. Thank you.